Our company has 4 designers on staff, and we all got different personalities, and I think I matched really well with this client.
This is our dream home, and we wanted to incorporate the woodsy feel of nature, blooming at different times of the year. We wanted just a natural look, no rock, no really formal stuff. We wanted it casual but breathtaking, and we achieved that.
We always want to have color and a different texture throughout the landscape, throughout the entire season. So we did just that. We have roses for the summertime. We have our hydrangeas in the backyard for our summer and fall color. And we got a plentiful amount of evergreens throughout the landscape through our winters here in Wisconsin. We have over 100 trees planted, and it really just brings it all together.
Most people have a cottage up north. We have our backyard. We wanted the woods feel. We wanted a fire pit in there. And then we have our little patio oasis with all the beautiful landscaping around it.